Hi, this is Homer with Southwest Mailing coming to you again to talk to you about the Ultimail sealer. There's been a couple of questions about just some basic setup things, and I wanted to go through them briefly. A couple things real briefly. When you go to put your envelopes in, well, first thing is, we got to make sure there's water in the machine. If you look right here on top of the machine, there's a slight indentation. Touch that indentation, this pops open. You'll see a water bottle here. You pull out this water bottle. Doing this one-handed, so please forgive me. Unscrew the cap. Put your water inside. You wanna fill it about to right there where my finger is, about right there. So about an inch from the top is usually good. Now it depends on the environment you're in. If you're in a wet climate, you know that stuff will last forever. If you're in a dry climate, I'm here in Las Vegas. You'll probably evaporate more than you'll use. When I put this in, again, the flat side goes towards the front. It just goes right down. If you look inside there, there's a hole down in there where that goes inside. It just drops down in there. Close it back up, and you're ready to go. Now, if it's the first time you're putting solution in, it's going to take a little bit. If I push this button right here, that pops up, and you'll see this is your actual sealing mechanism. This is the brush. That sponge right there is what picks the water up from the brush and puts it on there. That's the basis of your machine right there. So again, I'm now ready. Now when I go put my envelopes in, one thing I always want to make sure of is my side guide here is reasonably tight to the envelope. I don't want it so tight that it's squeezing the envelope. I don't want it way out here either. So not squeezing, not way out here. But basically, if you can imagine just laying an envelope in there flat, squeezing it just a hair bit, and then just backing off a little bit so it's laying nice and flat, and you're good to go. You want to make sure it's not pinching as it goes in, but you want to make sure it also doesn't have a lot of room to move back and forth as it goes through the machine. Turn on your switch, and make sure that I had an envelope that wasn't sealed. Turn on your switch, give it just a second, and away it goes. Okay? Simple, direct, very, very simple to use. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help you. Again, this is Homer with Southwest Mailing in Las Vegas, Nevada.